Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see weekly forecast for common people. Many general audience have requested a weekly forecast, so I am sharing the weekly forecast in this video. Okay. Weekly forecast projection is I am starting right now. So based on your interest, I will be focusing on this category. Okay. So next week, what's going to happen? That's we are going to see right now. If you are new to my channel, then you need to share your TradingView ID so that I can able to give my free indicator where you can able to focus on option mechanism. Okay, it will be clearly visible that option mechanism via custom sequence, which is my free indicator. So kindly share your TradingView ID so that it will be easy for me to add to you. Last week what I told in community is only one level which I have told to focus, that is 25,600. So 25,600 below is market is bearish. That was my indication via community. So why I said 25,600? Those reasons I will be sharing once our community is grown to maximum. Okay, now I'm having a limited people in English channel. Since this is my English channel, I'm having a very few audience. So even though if it is a few audience, my work is to give some perfection. Okay, so what is my thing is, if 25,600 below bearish, how to trade? That is what important na. So for that I'm having a separate service which is my premium service via Google Map. For a common trader, what you have to do is, whenever I'm giving something, just to focus on your own setup, or just to consider support resistance trading. If you're not sure about how to trade a support resistance trading, then you just inform me. I will share some basics video so that you can able to understand some kind of thing which will be easy for you. Now, what will be happening for next week? For that I am focusing on weekly forecast. Before proceeding to that, I want to give some psychology related answer to some of the questions. What is the thing is, if you are following 1:2 risk reward ratio for any trading system or any strategies, will you think you will be profitable? Definitely not. Before 5 years, I have researched related to this risk reward ratio alone, not about strategy or not about accuracy. Just randomly, I was not following, I was checking the risk reward. If it is 1:2, and I applied in the lots of strategies, okay, just strategies. But ultimately, I was able to see the result was not good. So I concluded myself that only risk reward will not help you. We need a methodology also. So that's why I am guiding mechanism rather than strategy. If you know the mechanism, no need to worry about strategy will be we can able to form easily with the help of mechanism. But one thing, we need to know the right mechanism. So in this case, option mechanism, which I am sharing a free indicator via TradingView, that will prove the option mechanism. Whereas in premium service Google Map, that will give a uh, stocks and other stocks mechanism, and how markets are obeying. Everything can be easily directed via Google Map. So coming week, what is going to happen? Let us see via single eye. Okay, I'm not going to share a third view. Why? Because some common peoples and general audience might be present in this channel, so I want to make it so simple for them. Then I will be touching my unique concept of complication, as well as other mechanism I will be sharing. Once this channel growth is happening, then I will be frequently doing some more interesting stuff. Okay, because I am not that much active in my English channel, so I want to show you the weekly forecast. So weekly forecast for next week. Okay, this is updated. So what is that? We will be checking. Now I am going to the chart. So this is Sensex chart. Okay, I have updated in Sensex. So this is applicable for Nifty also. So what is going to happen? I have mentioned two smiley symbol. One is big, another one is small. Big smiley represents big cycle. small smiley represents small cycle, simple. Okay, so there are three possibilities that market can happen. So all three possibilities I have mentioned here. With Google Map we can able to easily identify which I mean which possibilities will follow. For common people, as per sequence, just to do the opening trade, don't do any other things rather than opening trade in custom sequence, because in custom sequence if you try to explore something and if you did some mistakes, then it's difficult to come out of that. So my humble request is to use the mechanism properly via opening trade in custom sequence. So these are the important areas for Sensex. Okay, so this is how from 83,300 to market may touch 83,800, then again it might be coming back to 83,300, then again it will be breaking and breaching 84,000, then it's again might be retracing to 83,800, and again it might be going up. So in this case, how we will be handling the market, how to handle, because forecasting is important, but with the forecasting, how to handle the market, how to trade, so that is what the main important things. Okay, forecasting is alone is not important. Forecasting is a part of work, for example like a homework. Okay, so with the forecasting, how to utilize this in effective manner. For example, if we are taking a buy entry on the bottom using some mechanism, since I am talking about mechanism for new people, just watch my old videos guys. Okay, mechanism is very important in this market. For example, if I am buying in mechanism, based on the mechanism I am buying here, what will happen is, if we are trialing, we can, possibilities are more, so we can trial more. So that is the reason weekly forecasting will be helpful. Okay, for our trade plan, how to manage the risk, how to extend our profit. So for example, here whether price will go up or down, that will be decided using, we can use for example in a Google Map with the iceberg order, we can easily say that whether this will break or not. Am I right now? So for that purpose only this forecast will be important. So forecasting is rather than not, it has to happen on perfect manner. It will happen provided for common people, what I will be saying is, if for example in the price action in the top we are getting some kind of rejection pattern, so you can try, because prices are rejecting from that resistance. Okay, so we can take a trade provided our stop loss should be less and target should be more. Next possibility is what market can happen is, from 83,300 it will be coming down, again 83,300 price will be going up, and then price will be falling like anything. For example, in layer 1 mechanism, if price is failing here, then what will happen? Price has to go down. Am I right? This is for user guys. For general audience, what I'm saying is, if you are getting some kind of a rejection around these areas, then you can go for an implementation, provided risk will be less and reward will be maximum. So this is how we need to handle the market. I have heard many people just they will be keep on watching the market, keep on watching the market for years. What is the reason? Only one reason. What is the reason is, if we are taking a 5 trades, we will be in loss. So that is the reason they are keeping very ideal in this market. So in order to gain confidence, what we have to do is, we have to trade as per our capability. For example, if we are getting fear for 1,000 rupees, then don't do that. Why you want to do that 1,000? Instead of doing 1,000, make 100 into 10. So 100, 100, 100, if 10, 100 means 1,000. Nah. So whenever you are getting fear towards market, that is because of money, not because of method. So you have to get confidence that if I make a trend trade, if I trade 10 trade, then I will be profit. Once this is the approach you are coming to this market, then easily you can make profit in this market. Okay, so this is what I want to convey in this video, guys. This is the weekly forecast for next week. Follow this. Based on this response, I will be posting some interesting videos in upcoming forecast videos. Okay guys, thank you so much, for watching this video. Thank you so much.